I saw some improvement on my skin after the first microneedling session. So this is now my second treatment, and I have some special tips for you towards the end of this video. So come and join me in this episode of Amir Princely Views. I just completed my second microneedling session. The process for the microneedling was the same as before, like cleaning of the base, application of anesthetic, adjusting the penetration depth of the needle, which is a bit deeper now, and then there's the needling process together with the application of the serum and the removal of some blood from my base. The highlight of this visit was that the service provider was very kind enough to remove a festering pimple on my eye. I cannot imagine that this small white ball has been the source of my frustration, since most people notice it and say, please remove something from your eye. I cannot thank enough the service provider for her very kind deed. I'm really glad that this pimple was removed. Thank you very much, my dear. For those who viewed my video during the first session, most of them asked me how to care for my skin. Of course, you need to remember 3 things, just like last time. There will be redness that could last 1 to 2 days, which is normal. Some itchiness may occur, but try not to scratch your face. And do not wash the face in the first 12 hours. As promised earlier, I'm sharing with you some facial tips that I do mornings and nights. This is how I prepare for my daily facial routine. First, I make sure that I have all the required things available with me. What I'm doing is I'll apply a gentle cleanser which is suitable to my skin. So here we go, guys. I'll just apply the amount of cleanser that I need. So I'll just tap it so that I have the cleanser all over my face, and then gently massage it a circle way. And make sure that you massage with the fingers only. And I'm avoiding to massage it rough. I'm just massaging it very slowly and gently to take care of my skin. And then I will just wash out the cleanser from my face. Before, I used to scrub my face with the towel, which is really wrong. And now what I'm doing is just dab my face with the towel to dry the water from my face. And I make sure that my towel, especially that I'm using for my face, is always clean. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just apply the toner on my face. So here is what I do. I need a cotton. Actually, I cut the cotton just to save on a little bit on the cottons, and then I apply the right amount of the toner on the cotton. And here's how I applied very gently because this is a toner and you need to take care of your skin. So what I do is I'm using two pieces of cottons. Per half of my face one cotton and per half of my face another piece of cotton. And this is how you apply. And here I am using the other piece of cotton for other half of my face. And here is how I started. I started from my forehead and I come over here just to make sure that nothing left behind all the way. Now I'm done with the toner. What I'm going to apply now is the moisturizer. Here's what I'm using as a moisturizer. What I do is I just take a little amount of it and just like make dots on my face. And now here's what I do is I'll just massage it, and now I'm just doing it like a gentle massage. So this is how you do it. Make sure that you use fingers only and a very gentle massage. Before I used to think that it's only for the ladies, but guys, believe me, there is nothing sexier than taking care of your own hygiene and your own skin. Believe me. And after massage, I just make sure that I cover all my face. And here is what I'm going to do. As you guys see me that I'm massaging it upwards. The main reason behind this is to avoid wrinkles and double chin. And here we are, we're done. That's it for facial tips. Do you have anything you want to add? Feel free to write the comments below. And please like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as I see you all on the next Amir Princely Reviews.